Okay, I want to talk about the teaching system within fractionation. Just like FASTT, it is on the Scholastic Achievement Manager, and we can produce powerful reports. There are 8 actionable reports that range from the student all the way up to the district level. There's something called the Lesson Review Library, which really helps teachers be able to look into the program. They have on-demand access to all 64 lessons, the learns and the practices, so that teachers don't need to create a student account to try to see what their students are working on. But the goal of this is really to sit one-on-one with students who may be struggling with a lesson, and a teacher can walk through with that student that content. The Teacher's Guide is a great resource to have a conversation with a struggling student. There's, again, spreads for each of the 64 lessons with extends as well as additional activities to really help those students who may be struggling with software. And then finally, you're probably happy to hear that it's interactive whiteboard friendly. Okay, so I'm going to begin to conclude here, but FAST Math and fractionation provide really a flexible implementation model. FAST Math, we recommend 3 to 5 times a week, 10 minutes a day, as well as fractionation 3 to 5 times a week, 15 minutes a day. And students can either be using one or the other, or both at the same time. And there are a lot of folks using it out there in some different ways. So before school programs, after school programs, during the first 15 minutes of daily math block. Many summer schools are utilizing these programs, as well as pull-out intervention courses. So there are a variety of ways to really meet students' needs. And I think that's really the goal here. As we prepare students for algebra, and as we said earlier, it's really the gateway for students to be successful in high school, in college, and beyond. We really want to meet each student where they're at, and that's what the great thing is about FAST Math and fractionation. They're both adaptive programs and really individualized to meet each student's needs. I want to say thank you very, very much for joining me today. I want to just announce one thing, that we're offering a very special offer since fractionation is out and shipping. We are offering a 33% off discount on an unlimited site license for fractionation until May 31st. And if you have additional questions, like I said earlier, you can get the Research Foundation paper as well as the entire scope and sequence of fractionation. You can go to fastmath.com or fractionation.com and get more information there. If you have immediate pricing questions, please feel free to call 1-800-387-1437. Thank you again very much for joining us today, and I look forward to answering any of your questions as they pop up in the chat window, and if we can't get to them, we'll respond to you via email. Thank you very, very much, and have a great weekend.